Today we're going to release a squirrel far away from our house so he doesn't come back. We've got a rogue squirrel. He comes over to our yard and he eats our fruits and our vegetables, and then he takes off and gets our dogs all riled up. Normally, the squirrels come from a berm just on the other side of our fence. See all the squirrels over there? I see you. Shaking your tail. Yeah. They live on that berm and they come over to our fence for easy pickings. So we're gonna get rid of them. Okay, we've had a little complication. We got a bird stuck in the net. I'm gonna try to get him out here. Let's see if I can do this. Just like that, right there. Okay, we're gonna get rid of the little guy here. It's okay. It's okay. Come on. Can you get through?
What happened to you? Why you go there? See?
Okay, little guy, come on.
Yeah.
Man, wait. Shh. Can you do it? You good? Not yet? Okay. Wait. Gosh. Nah, stop. Let's see it. It's right there. Wait. I can see it. Move.
There you go. Oh, you're so quick.
You're welcome. Okay. So he's gone. They're always eating our seeds. All right, well, here's the little critter here. Little vegetable stealer. There you are. I see you. We're gonna let you go today. We're gonna bring you far away and let you go. You ate all the carrots. You ate all the celery I gave you. All right. squirrel's forever home.
Hi, squirrel. You got food? Oh, there's no more food for you.
Okay, I'm gonna pull this string. You see your string?
Okay, which one do?
And you're gonna pull your string.
You're so big, man. Don't come back, okay?
No, go over there. Go over there. Go close to. Well, no. Stand right here next to the cage.
Okay, what I'm gonna do?
You're just gonna say hi.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Dimples Live channel. Today we're going to release the squirrel in the lake. This is Lake Paris, and we caught it at home because she kept eating all my vegetables and fruits. And now we're going to release it here in the open. Hope she will not come back again at my backyard.
Okay, you ready?
Okay, ready, set. Come on, squirrel. You need to go
You
out.
gotta lift that.
You need to go out. You. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Okay, go find your family. Okay. Bye. Oh my God!
Running.
I hope she's gonna have food over here. I don't think I'm back in our backyard to get some food. There's not a lot of food over here. Look! She's over there. Look, she's going in the street. She went back in the street.